Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 8 of Loving My Minis in February, and we are going to play with $8. I don't know why I paused there for a second. I'm using these cute little sticky notes I got from Judy over at Save with Judy from her membership. So we're in day 8. We have our $8 that we're just going to put right into our bank. So how are you guys doing? Are you going to watch the Super Bowl today? I don't think I am. I've had Olympics on, so I might watch a little bit more of that. So $8 goes in there. Let's pull out our prop coins. All right, so where's our paper clip? Ooh, our paper clips are all the way back on 8. All right, so I've got... So, whoops. Let's mix these up a little bit. I don't know if I did that last time. All right, let's see what we can do today. We have a 2 for 8, and then we're going to go back up to 1. 1 for 1. Oh, 1 for 2. Come on, 3 for 3. I'll take a spinning 2. 1 and 2. So how are things going? How are you doing? 1, 2, and 3 for 5. 1, 2, and 3 for 6. I don't know if you can see that. 1 for 7. And we're back to the first one. Ooh, 1, 2, and 3 for 8. 2 for 1. 1 for 2. Oh, we did get 3 for 3. Yes. 1 for 4. 1 for 5, and my last one will go on 6. So we will start at number 7 next time. And by next time, that's tomorrow. All right, let's see if we finished any today. Number 1 got 75 cents. And this is our Han Solo from SW Fanatic Saves. So we can mark off 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's get the correct color for next time. So we have 3 marked off there. And these are good. Whoops. And then number 2 got 50 cents. Oh, and this one's from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So we can do 2 more hearts. All right, so that is done. Ooh, we got a 50. All right, so we have 50, 25, and 25. So $1.50. Going into number 3. Oh, we only needed 50 cents. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. It was Lindsay and Dobby. So that saved us $3. So that one is good. I'll just set that right here. And then we have $1 we get to put in a new one. So let's go to our queue. This one is from Sweet Indulgence Budgets. This will save us $4, so we can add $1. So I'll do the top row. All right, perfect. I feel like number 3 finally got a little love. All right, number 4 got 75 cents. This one is Lindsay and Dumbledore, and that only needed $1 or 1 coin. 1 That only needed 25 cents. Wow, that was hard. So that saved us $5. So we need to get another one. I'm running low on my, what is this one? Is this my last extra? Good thing I have a pile over next to me. Ooh, this one's going to save $7. I think that's our highest one. This one's from Save with Judy. We can mark off 2 pumpkins. Okay, so that is that. So we have 2 finished. So our streak continues. Day 8. All right, so this is $1 going into number 5. This one is from Becca Budget 777. This will save us $6. I think I did 4. Editing even has to pay attention and not fall asleep. Okay, so number 6 got $1 as well. Ooh, this one's from Nori at Norella's Budgets. And we have 50 cents left that we still need. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby girl, you got this. All right, number 7 got 50 cents. Oops. This one is from Financial Dreams with Christine. So we can mark off 2 chairs and desks. All right, this one is Dead Poet Society, Carpe Diem. And then number 8 got a bunch. All right. Okay, so we got $1, $2. Wow. $2 going into number 8. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I guess I had all my little Harry Potter minis in here, so that's $2. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. Sweet. Wow, we did really good. And I will make sure I add more minis for next time, for tomorrow. So let's go back up here. Let's put our prop coins away. And then we need to get $8 out of our bank. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so our completed is getting $8. And this money I'll just randomize at the end of the month. All right, perfect. So day 8, streak continues. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and saving along with me. If you are, or if you're just here watching, I appreciate that as well. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.